Pasture-raised eggs contain many nutrients and are high in vitamin. Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I'm Muhammad.
And she is Honey. Have you ever went to the supermarket and got so confused with all the different kinds of eggs? All natural, cage-free, free-range, vegan, organic, and pasteurized? Well, today is your lucky day. We're explaining it all.
Commercial eggs are factory-made and grown.
They are fed GMO soy, corn, and other unhealthy foods.
And kept in warehouses where they are basically living on top of each other.
They also need them to start laying eggs quickly,
So they are fed growth hormones and antibiotics.
which allows them to lay eggs within 47 days.
Whereas organic raised chickens will take 4 months and 5 days to lay eggs.
That's a huge difference. A store-bought chemical egg simply runs to the edge of the pan, which is going to need an egg ring to cook it up.
When you crack an organic egg into a frying pan, it stays in a tight circle.
There is something called CAFO, which stands for Confined Animal Feeding Operations.
When they tested the chickens, they found many chemicals in their body and feathers, such as
Antibiotics, which are banned, arsenic, which is used to make meat pink, as well as Benadryl, acetaminophen, and Prozac, which is used for anxiety because they are so tightly packed. They also give the chickens caffeine to wake them up. Now we're going to explain the difference between cage-free,
free-range.
and pasture-raised. Cage-free means they are no longer inside a cage, but in a barn with 100,000 other chickens. Now imagine sharing your room with 20 Muhammads. Oh God.
Free-range means they are allowed to leave the barn every now and then, but not very often.
Pasture-raised is when the chickens are always outdoor, eating grass and moving around. I mean, that's plenty of space for me and 20 Muhammads.
Pasture-raised eggs are the best to buy because they don't have harmful chemicals and aren't fed GMO foods.
Pasture-raised eggs contain many nutrients and are high in vitamins. It's great for your eyes, your heart, your immune system, and prevents a fatty liver.
There is absolutely zero research of anything harmful in these eggs.
I mean, come on, who needs a pill of Benadryl with every egg? Therefore, spending the few extra dollars on organic pasture-raised eggs
It's worth it.
because you're worth it.
Your health is worth it.
I would rather spend a little more on eggs that are delicious, healthy, and good for you.
Than having to pay the doctor a visit.
You're also supporting the hard-working farmers that are doing the right thing and not harming these poor chickens.
Let us know down below what type of eggs you buy.
And stay tuned for a video explaining why rotisserie chicken is so cheap. Help us make a difference and let kids eat by joining the STH squad today. Subscribe, like, and share to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle, friends, and neighbors.
And hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads.
Tag STH on Instagram whenever you make any of our delicious recipes.
And as always,
Simple, delicious, and healthy.
Commercial eggs are
Yeah.
warehouse where they are basically. Whereas organic raised chicken, it will take 4 years. Whereas, wait, what?
Pasture-raised is when Pasture-raised is when the chickens are always outdoor.
Pasture-raised eggs are the best to buy because they don't have harmful chemicals and aren't fed GMO foods.
Pasture-raised eggs are pasture-raised eggs.
There's absolutely zero research of these eggs.
Give them a